To check phone compatibility, go to lexus.com/mobilelink. To pair a compatible phone on a navigation-equipped Lexus, first make sure the vehicle power is on. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth feature and navigate to the Bluetooth pairing or connection page on your phone. Next, press the vehicle's menu button on the remote touch controller. Then select Setup on the navigation screen. Select Bluetooth. On the next menu screen, choose Connect Phone. Then choose Add New. The system will provide a passkey number you may need to input into the phone, depending on the model. The pairing will happen automatically over the next minute or two. You may be able to transfer your phone book or individual contacts directly from your cell phone. If your Bluetooth connection is terminated or you cannot transfer the data, go to lexus.com/mobilelink for information on phone compatibility. To receive a call, push the off hook button. To end a call, push the on hook button. To place a hands-free call, push the steering wheel talk switch. You must wait until after the beep to say a command. You can push the button at any time to interrupt the voice guidance and say a command.
After the beep, say a shortcut menu command. Say help at any time for additional instructions.
Dial 310-555-1212.
Dial 310-555-1212. If that's correct, push the off hook switch to dial, or say dial.
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 To call a registered name or a transferred number from your cell phone, say the name exactly as it's entered in the phone book. Very short names may not be recognized by the system.
After the beep, say a shortcut menu command. Say help at any time for additional instructions.
Call John's office.
Call John's office. John's office. Other. If that's correct, push the off hook switch to dial, or say dial.
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 For best connection, your cell phone should be in the front console or front passenger area.
We're rocking and a rolling, wheeling and a dealing at Keyes on that ice.